Alright, we're gonna come with the last box of unboxing for this one. For April, I guess. I'm not sure, probably in another 3 or 6 months I'm gonna buy a new one and do another unboxing, but depends. My storage is already full by now and already bought all this stuff, so I need to find a way or place to keep this in a proper and safest possible, like the mirrors, the paper glass, and the ice thingy. Yeah, those are important. Now, last one. Alright, guys, this is not Assam. I didn't order Assam. No. This is a prop I decline using Assam box. So let's do the unboxing. I'm pretty sure what the hell is this. You guys wanna know? Stay there. Don't forget to like and subs and comment. Alright? Try to comment. Guess what is this? This big. Alright. Let's put it here. Yes. Oh yes. Now I understand, like Peter McKinnon and Chris Howe or his friend Happy Ma. Yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot. It's hard to pronounce his name. It's not hard to pronounce his name, but his name apparently in Malaysia is pronounced differently, but he pronounced it with his accent, so make it Happy Hapoja. Sorry man, sorry. Alright, but now I get it, how you guys feel whenever I see your video in the past. You guys feel open and do unboxing. The feeling, it's good. Yeah. Alright, back to the unboxings. Yes, exactly as what I bought and bought. It's a Facebook props. So, alright, let's put it down here first. Oh, I got these. Hermes. Ooh, yes, I got 3 more. Not just 3. That's 3. And another 3, 6, 7. Yes, I bought all this. Feel great, and I can put it on the shelf and make it full. Like I got a lot of books, and I read a lot of books. But I already know, so I'm gonna use this as a prop. And I just bought it extra because I see my friend using this. It's good quality, but it's easy to be scratched. So when this is scratched, it's hard to eat it. Or maybe it's easy, but if you're taking photos like 100, 200 photos, hell no, you're gonna eat it, each one of it, because of the scratch from this book. So I just bought extra, and it's not that expensive. If in dollar, it's about $5. Yeah, it's about $5 each, plus minus. In Malaysia, it costs about 20 ringgit plus minus each one. But it's a good prop. So that's all from me. This all unboxing. Thanks man, thanks. Alright, whoever watched this video, don't forget to like, subs, comment and share. Why not? Just click button. It's nothing biggie. Just help me man. Help me sharing the knowledge. Yeah, at first I was thinking I want to make lots of money from YouTube. Then when I asked my friends, nah, it's just few cents starting out. If you're serious, make it a living and making a lot of video each week, each month, doing it for years, yeah, you can make thousands ringgit, $1,000 per month. But no, nah, just do it for safe, fun and hobby. And on free time, usually I'm more on photos, still photo, commercial product. That's where I'm heading. So this just as part-time and sharing what props or behind the scenes of Aspire Studio. Alright, that's all. Don't forget to like, share and sub. Bye.